Hello and welcome to the Blogify 4.0 full demo, where I'll be covering pretty much all of Blogify's current features. To create an account, click sign up, then fill out the necessary info, or just sign up with Google. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see your Blogify overview and a lot of options. Up here in the shortcuts, you can create a blog, purchase more credits to blog, and look at your blog earnings. This is where you'll see all the blogs you wrote. You can click this to generate a blog, but we'll get into that after we look at the analytics section. Here you can look at your blog's total clicks, clicks per device, click ratio, where it's been clicked from worldwide, and more useful info. So, back to the dashboard. Let's create our first blog, which can be accessed through the overview or on the side panel. To create a blog, you have to select a source, which can be a video, an audio, a prompt, a document, or a web link. Let's start with a video from YouTube. Here, you can insert your YouTube URL. You can either make your blog setting autopilot, where your entire blog will be created and published automatically, or you can use Copilot, where you have a lot more freedom, but we'll get into that later. Select your point of view, your blog size, your blog tone, source language, and blog language. You can opt in for an affiliate commission if you want to earn from your blogs, and you can also give credit to someone else's content. You can add your cover, which can be a thumbnail or from your device. And you can add your content images if you want any pictures in your blog to make it more engaging. Here you can publish your blogs on any of your connected platforms on Blogify. Now you can generate your blog. While that's cooking, let's take a look at Copilot blogging. The settings are basically the same as autopilot. Once the loading is done, you'll see the title screen. In the future, Blogify will be able to create multiple titles, so hang tight. In the outline section, you'll see all the chapter names that Blogify generated. You can move these around by dragging these 6 dots and add more sections by clicking the plus icon. Now for the talking points. These are the subsections for your chapters. Again, you can move them around or edit them. Now, hit Generate Content. Once the content's generated, you can edit it and give it your own touch. This is the same screen you'll see if you make a blog using autopilot. Feel free to edit it however you want. Then, click Save. Now you can publish this blog to any of your connected platforms, edit it again, download it, or copy it. Down here, you can see that Blogify automatically generates multiple keywords, hashtags, and meta tags to boost your blog's SEO. Now let's take a look at the My Wallet section. Here you can see your available balance in Blogify. You can also request a withdrawal to earn your revenue. You can also see the blogs you made and how much they've earned individually. Here you can see your active subscription. This will show you the subscription that you have and other subscriptions you can upgrade to. can also cancel your subscription down here. Over here, you can see your transaction history. I currently have 0 transactions with Blogify. You'll be able to check your transaction info here. In the settings, you'll be able to change your profile picture, basic information, blog preferences, your interests, blog connection platforms, and social account connections. And in the users section, you can see how many users are in your current project. You can invite other people to your project by using this button right here. Now let's take a look at the add-ons. There's YouTube Connect, where you can connect your YouTube account to Blogify to create blogs straight from your YouTube videos. And there's also YouTube Connect Pro, which does the same thing but with a lot more cool features. In the Writing Snippets add-on, you can get a lot of small writing snippets to help you write your blogs. These are basically just small text snippets that help make your writing more engaging. And finally, you can see the upcoming features of Blogify. This will show all the new features that will be implemented in the future. This concludes the Blogify 4.0 demo. Thanks for taking your time to watch this, and maybe you can consider using Blogify AI to create amazing content. I hope you have a great day.